breakfast is ready. Chocolate. Breakfast is ready. Let's go to breakfast. Oh my God. Look how cute this is. Oh. Oh my God, he's so cute. It says it's for me. Oh my God, look how cute this card is. Let's see what's inside. I want you to know how much you mean to me. Follow this scavenger hunt for your surprise. Clue number 1. You know where you hide your favorite guilty pleasure? Ooh. Chocolate again. I know exactly where to find that, but let's eat first. You know where you hide your favorite guilty pleasure? Let's go. Guys, don't tell anybody. I hide my favorite guilty pleasure in dog food. So good. Okay, we need to read the clue though. Clue number 2. What do you do on your spare time? I found another clue, you guys. This is so cute. How do you unwind after this? Oh man, Bae knows me really well. My favorite wine ever. Oh my gosh. Well, let's drink. So clue number 4 that was on the wine glass was, the hunt is over, time to get ready for our date. I'll see you at 8. God, I'm so excited. Time to get ready for my date. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I decided I'm going to wear this sweatsuit tonight because Babe really likes when I wear pink and loves sweatpants, so yeah, I think that's what we're gonna go for. I am going to get ready for my date and fix my hair, so I'm gonna put on my outfit, fix my hair, and I will be right back. Can you see this? Oh my goodness. This is the nicest thing that anyone has ever done for me. Wow. Oh, flowers too. I'm getting spoiled today. Look how beautiful these are. So if you guys didn't catch on already, I am the love of my life this Valentine's Day. I hope you all had an amazing Valentine's Day and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos from me. And give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys all have an amazing night, and I will see you in the next one.